So here is the use of mixture of ash, natural compost and then layers of the bamboo mulch on top. Not very deep, but that will be the lower level. On top of that we'll add bamboo canes, like at the back there, build it up so anything planted won't struggle to be getting through the earth clay, which is rather like concrete when it's dry, but it's rather a wet day today, so it's all good fun. So a little bit of progress. I'll just show you the other bit, which is also an ongoing project. I've shown this before, this end of it anyway. As you can see, it's vastly extended and it's scraping off some of the top layer of the debris and topsoil and leaf mixture that's laid on top.